Digitalization is one of the main levers for future success. And an important part of the digital twin for process industries is the DCS system. Now, here at Hannover Messe 2019, the latest innovation is being presented. And maybe, Manuel, you can tell us what is so special about it.
Sure. Simatic PCS Neo is a completely web-based DCS system with an object-oriented data manager. That means you only need a secure internet connection and a common internet browser to access your project data and your operations environment.
Okay.
And with this, global collaboration can be taken to the next level because all stakeholders can work in parallel in the same system and environment.
Sounds amazing. So maybe you can give us a concrete example, though?
Yeah, sure. When you take commissioning, for example, today people have to work one in the control room, one in the field to do the loop checks. Now you can equip the guy in the field with a DCS system on a tablet because it's browser-based, and he can do the checking in one system without leaving the environment.
Wow.
So that brings efficiency to a new level, I guess.
Awesome. So I guess data is the new gold.
Yeah.
And the future of production is more a cyber-physical ecosystem.
It is, completely, yeah, you're right.
Thank you for this information, Manuel.
You're welcome.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.